This is a 25-year-old female with gross abdominal distension due to the ascites and omental thickening, and a large abdominal pelvic mass is there with twigs of vessels passing through the mass. Mass is predominantly solid and ovaries are not visualized separately. The uterus is normal, there is no endometrial hyperplasia. We look for endometrial hyperplasia also because some estrogen secreting tumors like granulosa cell tumors can produce endometrial hyperplasia. Now on ultrasound, the mass is predominantly solid. The scan is being done after the ascitic tap because we want to get biopsy sample also, and the right ovary is seen within the mass and the left ovary is also closely abutting the mass, and moderate ascites is still present, and we can see that echogenic fibrous septae are present within the mass, and these are actually the fibrovascular septae because on putting color we can see that large vessels are seen coursing through the mass. So in such a young patient with 25 years of age and predominantly solid mass in the ovarian region with fibrovascular septae, the first possibility should be of germ cell tumors like dysgerminoma. And secondly, the sex cord stromal tumors can also be kept as a possibility. And the epithelial tumors, which are usually cystic and seen in older age group, should be kept lower down in the possibilities. So this is a list. Germ cell tumors and sex cord stromal tumors are enlisted, and these are the tumor markers. So we should get LDH level to confirm whether it is dysgerminoma or not, and the serum marker should be targeted based upon the possibilities of the diagnosis. Now we are doing ultrasound guided biopsy.
ठीक है, ये निडल दिखा। रुक जा, इधर ही शूट करता हूँ थोड़ा पीछे लेके। जिसको जो भी मिलता है ठीक है, ये निडल है, थोड़ा पीछे ले लेते हैं, इधर से करता हूँ। मस्त आया सैंपल।